What's happening? Hey yo, welcome back to another video. Today we're reacting to Stray Kids. It's the day. It's the day we've all been waiting for. You guys have been hitting me in my DM, hit me in the comments telling me about this day. I've been watching videos trying to get prepared for this, and guess what? We're here, baby. We're here. And I'm just so happy that I got into this fandom. You know what I'm saying? We got into this fandom before this happened. Because I learned a good amount about Stray Kids. I still have a long way to go until I'm 100% certified, like, huge fan of Stray Kids. But from what I've heard and seen, bruh, they inspire. I'm excited to bring you guys this video today. And I know you guys are excited to see me watch it. So guess what, baby? We're not about to waste no time. Go ahead, hit the subscribe and like button. Hey, yo, and enjoy the reaction. Here we go. What's happening? I'm excited. I see, like, I don't even know. Hot sauce from Hangul, Korean culture. Ooh, we getting it hot, baby. We just started and it's turning up hot. Run it back. Run it back. You know, I like to run it back. When something's hot, I gotta run it back. Let's go. All right. I'm ready. I'm ready. This is hard, bro. This is so... All right. Let me calm down. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. What is happening here? I'm so hyped, bro. I'm so hyped. Where's my boy Felix at? Yeah. Coming so high and so smooth, bro. Yeah. 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 Hey. Oh shit. What's happening? What's happening? Oh, I see a boy. I see Felix. Hey. Oh, they're smooth with it. Oh, he's smooth with it. Okay. Hey. Okay. I like to see that there's so much culture going on here. Korean culture. Let's go. Oh shit. Hold up. I'm sorry. Hold up. Sorry. Dirty. Hey. They coming back strong, baby. He not sorry. Oh, they teased me. Designer on them too? Wait. What's happening? What's happening? This choreography. Oh my god. The vocals, the choreography. They came back strong. They came back thunderous, baby. Woo. I'm just waiting for it. What? Did this man just laugh at me with his arms? Did this man just laugh at me with his arms like this? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Hell no. This is good, bro. We knew it was coming. We knew it was coming. Yo. Hey. He not sorry, he dirty. What the heck? This is so lit, bro. Bang, 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 boom, indeed. Alright, that was fire, bruh. That was fire. We love Stray Kids, baby. I'm about to go back and listen to all their songs. You make Stray Kids stay, baby. And I'm here to stay. I say that every time. Let's get it. Let's go, let's get it. Oh, like immediately. Like immediately. Let's get this trending to #1. Trending to #1, baby. Let's go. I'm so hyped. That song was so good, so artistic. It was so catchy. Everyone looked so good. They look fresh, they young. You know, we out here. I'm hyped, I'm hyped. Bro, I'm about to go back and watch all Stray Kids videos. Bro, it's about to be a Stray Kids channel in a minute. I ain't about to lie. I gotta listen to what this guy do. People have been telling me to react to that. I'm about to react to like getting to know Stray Kids. Bro, I'm out here. I'm out here. I'm in the fandom now, baby. Oh, that was so good. That was so good. I'm literally about to go react to the other song, other stuff right now. No, we's out here. Make sure you subscribe and like to see those videos. I truly love this video. Everything was fire. I'm about to download it. I think they got an album that came out. I'm about to download the album on my Spotify. Just know, I loved it, bruh. I loved it.